Welcome to Fuck It Adventures. I am touring every country I visit in Asia by motorbike.
In this episode, I'll be showing you how to do the non-Kiao bike loop. I'll have to give you a map though, because I cannot find this loop on any maps currently.
So far on the adventure,
Crushed my drone in a lake, had my GoPro fall off my motorbike, dangerous mountain roads, dropping my motorbike solo in a remote area, parts failing on my bike, and also getting stuck off-road. Welcome to the non-Kiao bike loop. Bit of a different thing today. I'm going to show you guys how to do my favourite bike loop. So let's jump onto my computer where I can show you the map I've made, because there's no maps. Okay, here we have non-Kiao, which we're all familiar with. There is rental companies for scooters along here and also along here. I would suggest getting something that's semi-automatic. It's about 180,000, which will be, I'll put it up here now anyway. So, start on this bridge. As soon as you go after the bridge, you need to be turning left through here and following it all the way up along this dusty road. Dusty, muddy, maybe wet, depending on what time of the year you do this. But you need to follow it up all the way along up here. Is to around this point. The map and the ground's changed from what I can remember, but around here you're going to be able to buy some oranges from these lovely ladies, and also you need to be turning left here. You need to be turning left here at this junction, and then you carry on, follow it up. So you're going to want to stop in Songkang, and this is where you'll be able to walk to the waterfall.
as you come past this sign, there'll be a bit of a temple, and then, a Passat, there'll be maybe a Passat, turn right up to the waterfall.
After you're done with the waterfall, you carry on up. Carrying on up along the river, and you're going to hit Mong Noi. You will have to do a slight river crossing here.
This way? Come try.
And in Mong Noi, you'll be able to have some lunch. Yum. So once you've finished having a lunch and having a little look around Mong Noi, it is a very nice place and it is very remote and relaxed. You can carry on towards Phang Kang Caves, which they're all right. You can have a look around at the outside. It's more the wildlife and the water. It's more the wildlife, and there's a beautiful river along here. It's just generally a beautiful place. All of this is beautiful, in my personal opinion. And then you're going to head to Bang Nang village. This is another tiny little village. You'd carry on, or you could even stay. There's a few guest houses you can phone up and book and stay there for a night if you really wanted to. Yeah, I didn't. I went all the way through and did this in one day. So then you're going to carry on. A lot of this is mountainous and slippy, dusty road, but still amazing. You're very much gaining altitude.
You finished it, I mean this bit here should be the shallowest, right? Oh, I see it on that way.
And then you're going to get to this little town here, which doesn't even have a name on the map, on Google Map. I couldn't find any town signs at all. But at this point, you need to be going right. and heading toward.
Lad sai? Ladre? Non kiao, lad sai? Okay. Gap sai.
Absolutely beautiful, stunning. It's just, wow, love this place. So then you're going to come down back to the main road here, where
This is where you join the loop. Off the road. Up there.
exiting the road here and carrying on down the C1. You don't want to go up the hill, you want to go down the hill. And then that's going to carry you all the way back towards Nong Kiao, this road. There's quite a few places you can stop, but I would definitely suggest stopping at the museum. This museum really shows about how much this whole area was bombed in the war, and this is one of the most bombed places in the world, so it's definitely worth going to have a look. And it's only, I think it's only 20,000 to get in there, and that's going to bring you back to Nong Kiao. And yeah, that's the end of that, guys. I will attach the picture of this map in the description if you'd like to see it. But yeah, that's the Nong Kiao loop. It'll take you about 1 day, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So I'm going to be a cheeky devil here, and my preparation morning on the end of this video to squeeze it out to 8 minutes. So 2, 3, 4, 60.
Yes, Park. Only like 10-minute video by, I think. 10 or 15.
10-15 minute ride.
Yeah. Here is the big village. Here is a big village to see.
Yep. Good. Yeah. Got approval. Handy's off. We're actually getting it done. See you. Bye.